Our chapter is motion and time. Periodic motion of a simple pendulum. See, a simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball or a stone, which is suspended from a stand by a thread. So the metallic ball that is called as bob of the pendulum. So when the bob of the pendulum is released, after taking it slightly to one side, it begins to move to and fro. So the to and fro motion of the pendulum is called as oscillatory motion. The bob of the pendulum moves from the center. Center position is also called as mean position. So this bob moves from the center position to its extreme position to both the sides. Oscillation. When the bob moves from its center to its extreme ends, it is said to complete one oscillation. For example, we'll take the pictures in the earlier slide. That center position, we'll name it as O. So from O, it moves to the left hand side. Again it comes to middle O, and then from O position it again moves to the right hand side. This is called as one oscillation. Time period of a pendulum. The time taken by the pendulum bob to complete one oscillation is called time period. Units of time and speed. Units of time we have seen earlier. The basic unit of time is second. The larger units of time are minutes and hour. Units of speed. The basic unit of speed is meter per second. The larger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Conversion. Conversion between meter per second and kilometer per hour. We already know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So first we are going to convert this. So 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And then 1 minute equal to 60 second. So 60 into 60, 3600. So 1000 by 3600. So we'll get 1 by 3.6. So to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we can divide by 3.6. Or else to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply it by 3.6. Measuring speed. See, to measure speed we have to know two factors. One is distance covered by the object and the time taken to cover the distance. So speed is equal to distance by time. From this we can easily derive distance and time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Time equal to distance by speed. So the average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Speedometer and odometer. Speedometer. It is a device which is used in vehicles to measure the speed in kilometer per hour. Odometer. It is a device to measure the distance travelled by a vehicle in meters or kilometers. Answer the following questions. What is oscillatory motion? What is bob? Define time period. Name the device used to measure the speed of the vehicle. Name the device used to measure the distance travelled by the vehicle. Complete the table 13.4 in page number 150.